expensive food. They eat mangoes whole.
Oh, it's amazing what they swallow up whole. The big one, Cavendish bananas.
Eat the whole mango
Yeah,
whole.
reds.
What's this?
It's just,
No, that's not going to work.
you got the other one.
Unbelievable. Whole mango. Wow. Seed and all.
Last week I videoed a little tree snake eating a frog, and this frog would have been 5 times the size of the head of the snake, and still it went in there.
No, snakes can do amazing stuff.
Yeah.
Big snake. Yeah.
No, not even a big little tree snake, so the head is only like a bit bigger than my thumb maybe.
Yeah.
And still this whole big fat frog went in there.
Oh, I want to help her.
That was a bit of a shock.
It's totally winning at life right now.
Did it get it?
Yeah.
Got the whole thing.
It ate the whole lot.
Right on.
Unbelievable.
That is amazing. You are such an amazing creature. Look at you.
You think the seed would clog up the system, wouldn't you?
No, they're really good at spreading seed. Same with beans.
What do you think, babe?
Maybe.
Oh, she's gonna make a noise. Yeah, gotta be.
It's amazing sculpture, isn't it? Look at those. Look at the
Oh,
the